Hey everyone, it's Shelly. Today I want to show you how I was able to clone myself in iMovie. It's so simple. I'm going to show it to you in 2 minutes or less. We're going to go over here and you can see me. I say my line. I'm on one side of the room. I scoot over to the other side of the room. I say my line on the other side of the room. That's the first clip. Now we're gonna go and focus on the second clip. The second clip, this is important. You're gonna go in here and we're gonna crop it. And you have to do it before you add it to the timeline. That's the only time you can do it. So we're gonna go up to the menu for cropping at the top. We're gonna select that button and then we're gonna go ahead and make our crop. I went ahead and chose the center of the room. You just want to make sure that your people aren't overlapping because it looks kind of funny if you guys were actually crossing bodies. So now that you've got your spot, don't worry, even if it looks like it's in the center of the screen, it's going to be fine. We're going to drag it down onto the timeline. The most important thing, it doesn't matter if you crop the right or left side, just crop one side and then that is the one, whichever one you crop needs to be on the top of your timeline. Go ahead and line up your clips so that the audio patterns look like they kind of match. Now that we've got our tracks kind of matching, we're gonna go ahead and go up to the top. We're gonna hit the picture-in-picture option. So you can see the yellow at the top and bottom. Just try and make the image as tall as the image that is behind it, and then I'm gonna scoot mine over to the other hand side, and then we're gonna go ahead and play it back. You're gonna see that I actually fade in, and I don't like that, so what we're gonna do is go in and turn the fade off just by dragging that bar back. I'm also gonna line up the audio just a little bit better because I noticed it didn't quite match the first time, so I'm gonna make it so it's on top of each other, and then I'm gonna go ahead and play it back one more time. And now you can see the video is no longer fading in and out. The audio matches better, which is what you saw in my last video, and that's it. Super simple, and you are all finished. Congrats!
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I put out a new video every week. I can't wait to hang out with you guys again. I'll see you very soon. Bye!